Kenyan and Cuban officials have finally put pen to paper in a deal that will see 100 doctors posted to hospitals across the country. Mercy Kandiye is in Havana, Cuba, and brings us that report.
The deal to have 100 Cuban doctors come to Kenya for at least 2 years and 50 medical practitioners from Kenya coming to Cuba for medical training has been signed. This was done by the Minister of Health here in Cuba and Cabinet Secretary in charge of Health, Cecily Kariuki. We talked to them immediately after signing the deal, and this is what they had to say.
Kenya and Cuba and 100 doctors coming to Kenya, it's all systems go. It's an exciting day, and I want to appreciate my colleague, Dr. Ojeda, for signing on to release the doctors to now come to Kenya and for opening the door for me to bring 50 Kenyan doctors to train here in Cuba. Deal done. The MOU, which was signed earlier on, gives us an opportunity to keep on reviewing these in terms of the need. Important to note, the doctors will be operating on a two-pronged approach: service delivery as soon as they have landed in Kenya, but importantly, capacity building of our own doctors through mentorship and through working alongside the doctors who are in the health facilities in Kenya.
En Kenya, y al mismo tiempo la formación de otro grupo de profesionales aquí en nuestro
will help us strengthen our healthcare system, and also to strengthen the healthcare system from Kenya. This is based on the principle of solidarity, which was a principle that was always defended by our Commander-in-Chief, our Eternal Commander-in-Chief, Fidel Castro, the builder of our healthcare system. And when he spoke of Africa, he would always say that in cooperating with Africa, we are doing nothing but paying a debt that we have with humankind.
Kenya has a lot to learn from Cuba. For example, one of the polyclinics that we visited, a polyclinic is equivalent to a county referral hospital, had its maternal indicators at 0. The maternal mortality rate here in Cuba in most of the polyclinics was at 0. For example, in one polyclinic, for 14 years they had no mother dying during childbirth. Keep it Citizen TV for a detailed and more comprehensive report. From here in Havana, Cuba, my name is Mercy Kandiye.